In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove content warning on X. Launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website X Login. Then provide your credentials and log in to your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Scroll down and navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Now head over to the option Privacy and Safety. Now navigate to the option Content You See. Now you'll need to check in for the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Then click on the option Source Settings. Uncheck for the option Hide Sensitive Content. Likewise, for the Android devices, you're going to find the option Sensitive Media. You'll need to click on that option. Under that, you're going to find the option Graphic Avoidance, Adult Content, and Other. For all of those options, you'll need to select one. Once you customize these settings, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily remove content warning on X or Twitter. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.